These 34 seconds of his intro video can decrease his chances of getting views. Look at the video.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, New Jersey's Senior Real Estate Specialists. Well, last week's video was all about upsizing to create more space, and we talked about the advantages of that. Now on the flip side, today we're going to talk about a potentially daunting, yet possibly liberating topic, and that's downsizing. So whether you're planning for retirement or just looking to simplify your life at any stage, downsizing could be a wonderful step forward. So in this video, let's explore the benefits of downsizing. I'll give you tips for a smooth process and how to choose the right next home.
Do you think if you edit this intro with sound effects, motion graphics, it would help? It might still not attract views for its main content. Because in 2024, people's attention spans are short. Audience becoming smarter. They are not interested in watching long intro videos like this. You might have noticed that some simple videos get more views compared to a well-edited video. The reason is creators have figured out patterns in the creator algorithm. They know how to hook an audience and tell stories. So focus on creating good hooks. I have already made 20 hookline ideas for you. Just comment the word hook and I will personally send them to your DMs.